Hi everyone, and this is going to be my second video for the whole bedroom makeover. It's currently Wednesday. I filmed bits yesterday of me packing things up, moving things out of my room. My room now looks a lot different than it did since my last video. I'll include all them clips now.
Open up, you open up. Hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you open and take the high road and hop in.
Wait. You think we should take these pictures off and make it a bit lighter? Oh, Dad.
That's on your log, that.
Which way is it going in?
It's swinging now.
Wait, a bit slower.
What?
Right, go on. I don't want to trap my fingers. Right, wait.
You pull it.
No, it needs to go to my right a bit. Right, wait. Right, don't move it because my finger's going to get trapped.
You move it. Right.
No, I know. It's... Oi!
Right, you pull it out.
I'm trying to! I don't want you to... Right, wait. Right, go on. Right.
Do this for me, Ed.
Okay.
Oh, that's what I made off the wall, isn't it? I've got turd in that crying and you've never cleaned.
That's actually nasty.
So it's like your belly button.
Oh, Dad, I got you something. You treat for the weekend.
That'll be in the back up so you can do that.
Oh, I don't want to go anywhere near it.
In that corner, start shoving.
Oh my god, I feel sorry for that dog. Ooh, put that now. Okay, so I need to sneeze.
Open up, you open up. Hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends.
Oh, is that it? Oh. Sorry, it is. Are we getting this downstairs through it? Why is it
Sorry.
in the hand?
Because it's your sliding, isn't it?
Can we just push it?
Next to one side, just tip it this way. Right, you get that top bit there. Now go to the end. No, that's it. Yeah. See that top bit, can you see? You get that bit again.
Got, oh, I need those. Yeah, I need that. This can go in the bin. Button. Then we have, what's this? Oh, it's got my name on it. What's this? A Tribal Saturday hip hop funky soul R&B. Oh, I'm definitely keeping that because that's cute. I got a tea bag. Okay, dental floss. What is that? Dark flats. And what you find behind every drawer is a dummy. Yeah, today I think I'm gonna sort through my stuff because I wasn't gonna do it until I decorated my room and like I had my wardrobes and stuff, but I think it'd just be easier like to go through my stuff now, especially because I've got time to just go through it all now, and then it'll make it easier when I'm decorating because there'll be less stuff like everywhere. So yeah, I'm gonna go through things now. I'm gonna start off with this. I just want to take everything off and see actually what is there, because it's just, there's a lot of stuff there. I'll probably keep all of it though, to be honest, but it's good to just see what, double check what's there. And then I might go through these boxes here. There's a lot of them, because when I packed them away I wasn't really thinking am I going to keep it. I was kind of just like putting it in, but now that I've got like a bit of floor space to actually like sort things out, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I've just took everything off there. I found an umbrella. I didn't even know there was an umbrella there, and I realised I'm really bad at letting go of things, because I'm like, took everything off and I'm like, yeah, so everything that's on the floor I'm going to keep. Which is everything, so that's brilliant. Literally, like, the only thing I was debating about getting rid of was this scarf, because I don't wear like summer scarves, you know, and then this bag, but it might come in handy at some point, so I feel like I'm just gonna keep them both, because this will come in, I will wear this at some point in the summer. Maybe not, I haven't worn it this summer though, so maybe not. I don't know. My mum might want it actually. And then the scarf, I don't know, maybe I'll just get rid of it, but I feel like it could be nice. I did try it as a hair headband, but no, it looked like I was a present. So I've decided that I'm just gonna go from a wardrobe and try pieces on that I'm not sure if I want to keep or not. And I was like, I'm definitely throwing this top. I've not worn it for ages. I don't like it. And I put it on, and now I'm like, I've got this like love-hate relationship with it. I just don't know if I like it. Please let me know if you think, if this top, I want to be able to show you like what it looks like both sides, but this is really hard. This high neck, and then the shoulders, like, you know, cutouts at the shoulders, and then long sleeved, and then like flare. So I'm just trying these trousers on, and I really like them, but I mean, they're a bit big, because obviously like they're meant to be up here. And yeah, but I really like them. But the thing is, if I like, say, clip them, it just looks a bit weird then. So I think I'm gonna have to get rid of them. But oh my god, I love them so much. So I have gone through one of my wardrobes, and I've only took two things out of there, which are these, which actually look like a really nice outfit together, like similar colours. The top I think I'm gonna sell. I don't know about the trousers yet. I used to wear the trousers a lot, but they're just too big, as you would have seen. And then the top, I just don't think it like looks right. I think, yeah, and I know I'll never wear it. Now I've started with another wardrobe. This is the first item I've just tried on, and it's like a cropped, ribbed burgundy top, and I'm keeping this because I think it looks quite cute. This is the next top, and I think this has still got the tag. Yeah, it does, because I've never worn it before, and I've just never, like, I don't know, I just never gravitated towards it. But it is actually really cute, and I feel like if you went out for like drinks, the girls, it would be like such a good top. So I'm definitely gonna keep it. I just need to remember that it's cute. So clearing out my wardrobe wasn't much of a success. I haven't gone through all my clothes. I probably went for like half of them. So yeah, I'm not going to go for any more, but I am going to start peeling the wallpaper off. I was going to do it on Friday, but I'm not doing anything, so I'm going to do it now. I'm going to start on this wall. No. This wall. Wait. Oh my god, this is really weird. Yeah, this one. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. I'll probably just do a time lapse, like always.
Open up, you OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya.
So I have just done one whole wall. I've took it all off. I started doing like that bit over there as well. It's going good, except I keep like, because I'm just using my hands to like pick it off, I'm bleeding. Like under my nail I'm bleeding, which isn't very nice. It's kind of dried up now, so yeah, it's very glamorous doing this, but yeah, it's going well so far. My dad tonight is going to help me take the lining paper off, so I'm just taking the wallpaper off, and then tonight we're going to you have to wet it and then take that off, and then I need to go buy wallpaper, and then hopefully this weekend my dad can wallpaper it so then I can paint it in a week. So yeah, that's what's currently happening, and I'm watching Brooklyn Nine-Nine.
OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up, open, open.
So I'm now on this wall, and I'm really actually sad to take this part off, because I've always really loved it, and yeah, it'd be sad to see it go, but I just need to remember that my room afterwards when I redecorate it is gonna look so good. So, and I've had this for so many years now, so it's time to move on and depart from it. It's gonna be sad, but it's got to be done, you know. I was gonna have some dramatic pool then, but it didn't work. So let's see if we can do this. Okay, come on, don't let me down. Oh, okay, let's try again. You ready? I am. Right. One more go. Nope. This is a fail. Okay, come on. I feel it. I feel it. Oh my god, it's just not working today. Go again. Right, come on. Come on. Oh. This is so sad. Oh my god. Oh. I'm not enjoying this at all. I'm really not. I really liked it. Oh god. Jesus. Okay, let me carry on. I just wanted to document that heartbreaking situation. Okay. Oh, this is really satisfying to do. Oh, that actually breaks my heart. So, just so I can forget about it, let's quickly get rid of all this. And then I'll only cry one more time when I edit this video. And then I'll never watch it again. So I don't have to remember this painful moment. I mean, I could get another quote next when I redecorate, but I most likely won't, just because I don't really have space for it. But we'll see. You never know. Never say never. Okay, I'm gonna go now because this will definitely be boring you. So, yeah, see you later.